Hello, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make my own version of Kung Pao chicken. So this is all the ingredients. I have chicken breast, flour, cherry wine, dark sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and I want my Kung Pao with walnut, garlic, string onions, and a little ginger and dry chili. And also I'm going to put, instead of water, I use broth. Alright, let's get started. Well, first I'm going to put some little salt there on the chicken. And also black peppers. Put the flour in there together and we'll mix it. Okay, I think that's good enough. So we'll put this on the side for now. Alright, in a small bowl, we're gonna put all together the sauce, the sugar, and the cherry wine, and the broth, mix it until the sugar will dissolve. Alright, we'll put that on the side for now. And we're going to chop the ginger. And now let's do the garlic. We'll punch it and chop it. Alright. Now let's do the green onions. Some of them is for my garnish later. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, we're going to add some oil there, like 1 tablespoon. And we're going to add the ginger. Then get it light brown. And go ahead, put the garlic. And saute it until light brown. Now we'll add the chicken. And saute the chicken until like 5 to 8 minutes, but then you can constantly stir it, that way we're not gonna burn up. So now when it's almost done, a light brown now. Now we can add the kiwi and the walnut. Mix it. So now we'll add the sauce. Oh, that was so good. No more noise. Now we need to simmer this like 3 to 4 minutes. Put your heat to the medium. Just put your heat on the medium. Then you can adjust your sodium. If that's so salty, you can add sugar. Let's simmer that for 3 minutes. Almost there. I add a little sugar on mine because it's a little bit salty. Let me try. It's good now. Turn off your heat and spread the onions, green onions. So spread that there. That is ready to serve. Alright everyone, here is my version of Kung Pao chicken with walnut. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, see ya. God bless you all.